Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English is Easy. Today we are going to talk about countable and uncountable nouns, a very important topic in English grammar that often confuses learners. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the difference and know how to use them correctly in your sentences. What are countable nouns? Countable nouns are the nouns that we can count as individual items. They have both singular and plural forms. Examples: 1 apple, 2 apples, a book, 3 books, 1 car, 10 cars. We can use numbers and the article a or an with countable nouns. For example, I have a pen. She bought 2 dresses. So remember, if you can count it, it's countable. Now, what are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are the nouns we cannot count individually. They usually refer to substances, concepts, or abstract ideas. Examples: milk, water, sugar, information, music. You cannot say 1 milk or 2 musics. These words do not have a plural form. Instead, we treat them as singular. Example: the water is cold, not water cold. This information is useful, not informations are useful. How to quantify uncountable nouns? So, how do we talk about quantity if we can't count them? We use units of measurement or containers. Examples: a glass of water, a piece of information, 2 cups of tea, 3 bottles of milk. This way, we can make uncountable nouns more specific. Key differences. Let's quickly compare them side by side. Countable nouns have singular, plural forms. Can use numbers: 1, 2, 3. Can use a or an. Example: I ate 2 apples. Uncountable nouns, no plural form, cannot use numbers directly, cannot use a or an directly. Delay. Example: I drank some water. Common mistakes. Here are some common mistakes learners make. Example: I need an advice. Correct. I need some advice. She gave me many informations. Correct. She gave me a lot of information. There are much books on the table. Correct. There are many books on the table. Remember, use many with countable nouns. Use much with uncountable nouns. Use a lot of with both. Quick practice. Engagement for viewers. Now, let's practice. I'll say some nouns, and you guess if they are countable or uncountable. Ready? Chair, countable. 2, rice, uncountable. 3, idea, countable. 4, bread, uncountable. But you can say a slice of bread. Great job. So, that's the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. Toll, countable, equal things we can count. Shoal, uncountable, equal things we cannot count directly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English is Easy for more simple and clear grammar lessons. And let me know in the comments, what is your favorite uncountable noun? See you in the next video.